We have an LG Aircon unit and the remote switch for it has stopped working. So what I'm going to do is take you through the steps that you would do to try and troubleshoot what's wrong and what you need to do to replace that. So one of the first things you want to check is to make sure that it isn't a fuse in the circuit panel that's just tripped. So just make sure your aircon switch, whichever aircon it is in the upright position. So if all of your switches are in the upright position, then you know that you're getting power, hopefully, to your aircon unit. So after checking the fuse at the fuse box, the next thing would be is to check that your IR sensor on the top of your remote control is working. So all you need to do is just get a camera that's not a DSLR, which won't work because DSLR has an IR filter in front of it. So we just place the remote control under and press the button, and if it's working you'll see some flashing. And if you notice there, you've also got a manual override switch. So if your remote control wasn't working and you wanted to get your aircon running, check to see if when you lift up the flap that it actually has a button there, a manual override one. So let's go and see about fitting this. So first what you do is you have to lift up your cover, like so, and often on these you'd have to reposition these blades so that you can get access to the screws that are just below. So now I can get access to the screws. This one's got 3. And it goes without saying, make sure you turn off the power before you start to open up the unit. Okay, so now that's pulling out, and I should be able to just lift this up and off. So we'll just put that down to the side. So as we can see, what we're going to have to do is replace that unit there, just like that. So there's a screw at this end for that one, so just undo that screw. And we'll just lift out the wire. So I just need to undo these cable ties, being careful not to damage any of the cables. And now we can just unplug that clip and then just plug that back in the same orientation. So now we'll just put these cables back into the cable run. And we'll stick another cable tie on. So just slide that back under. So just screw this back in and then I'll tidy up the cable. And just put that bit in there as well. Okay, it looks nice and tidy now. I'll just remove that protective film. Okay, next we want to refit the cowling, and what I might do is I might just pop this filter out. That'll make it easier to see the clips where it's got to go into. And what I've also found is that it's got some clips here that have to sit into these 3 positions at the top. So I'll just swivel that up. Just put that underneath. Okay, just double check that. That's in underneath there. And I'll just make sure that that one's in. Okay, so now that's in at the 3 tabs at the top. And now I can screw back in the bottom 3 screws here. This one. That's 2. And the 3rd one. And we just have to put this filter back in. So it just slides up above and into those attachments there. And then we can just lower down that and push it closed. And now after reconnecting the power, swivel that back into place. And moment of truth, let's see if this is working now. Cool. Oh, that's so nice. And just so we can show the operation, this one has that override switch here, so we can just press that and that would actually switch the unit on. So that's a good way of telling if your actual air conditioning unit's actually functioning. Sorted. Cheerio.